Good morning, Comanche tribal members. My name is BONITA PADDYAKER. I'm the director of the Comanche Nation's Injury Prevention and Angels programs. Our program started in 2001 with a grant. Then it was taken over by the tribe in 2006. I have one employee, permanent administrative assistant, Carolyn Lone. In our program, we have to be certified in many areas. So I'm a licensed practical nurse. I'm an injury prevention specialist. I'm a national child passenger safety technician, national registered emergency medical responder. I have CPR first aid training, bloodborne pathogens. I work with the Comanche Nation Emergency Management as a safety officer, have HAZWOPER and FEMA training. Okay. Administrative assistant, we try to train all our employees. She has CPR first aid training, HAZWOPER, bloodborne pathogens, and FEMA training. Our mission is to increase the awareness of safety to the general public through modification of the environment by demonstration, educational awareness, presentations that promotes behavioral changes, and to reduce the unintentional injuries caused by falls, fires, traffic, and the environment. Our goal is to provide safer homes for our tribal members with prevention by providing smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, and fire extinguishers. We provide occupant protection classes, child passenger safety classes with the car seat distribution. We provide bike helmets, bike and skateboard helmets to help prevent head and brain injuries, and box fans. The equipment that we provide is car seats with child passenger safety training, smoke alarms, fire extinguishers, carbon monoxide detectors, and talking smoke alarms for the blind or partially blind, bike and skateboard helmets. Occupant protection classes, these are provided in the Watchtaker Gym right here every month from March to October with a car seat distribution. We have appointments with child passenger safety classes that are held in the office from November to March with car seat distribution, and this is to try to keep our babies out of the cold weather. You must be a certified child passenger safety technician to distribute car seats. We're assisted by the Native Americans for Injury Prevention members, Indian Health Service, Comanche County Health Department personnel that are certified child passenger safety technicians. We have walk-ins with new babies and child custody cases. We provided 126 car seats in 2016 from funding from the tribal program. And we provided 100 car seats from a reimbursement grant from the Bureau of Indian Affairs Highway Safety. We have the Oklahoma Child Restraint Law that requires children 0 to 2 must be in rear face seats until at least 2 years of age. 2 to 4 must be in car seats with a harness until at least 4 years of age. 4 to 8 must be in a car seat or booster seat until at least 8 years of age, unless the child is taller than 4'9". Most of our children change car seats 5 times before they are able to use the seat belt, and most of the time we have more than one car seat family. We've had up to sometimes 4 car seats going to families. Special needs children, if our program cannot provide the needed car seat for the child, we work with Oklahoma Safe Kids to provide assistance for the family. Fire safety equipment is provided. These are what we provided for tribal members. 68 smoke alarms, 29 carbon monoxide detectors, 17 smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detector combo sets, 14 smoke alarms donated by the American Red Cross, 3 talking smoke alarms, and 72 fire extinguishers, trying to keep our homes safe. Distribution places, we do it in the homes, Comanche Nation Elder Center, Comanche Nation and Anadarko Outreach, Oklahoma City Outreach, Dallas Outreach, Vocational Rehab Awareness Day, Indian Health Service, and Comanche Nation's Diabetes event at Watchtaker Gym, and in our office and other places when they ask us. Fire prevention, we do home safety checks. We install 14 smoke alarms, 9 carbon monoxide detectors, and 14 fire extinguishers, 3 talking smoke alarms for the elders, handicapped, and disabled. We advocate for our elders on home repairs, handicap ramps, handicap equipment. Bike helmets, we assist our tribal law enforcement with the Kids and Cops event, and we gave 54 bike helmets there, 24 children's activities, 4 at Comanche Nation Oklahoma City Outreach, 3 at Anadarko Outreach, and 2 at the Dallas Outreach. We had 6 people walk in that we gave bike helmets to. Community events, we do a senior prom, car crash simulation for the area high school juniors and seniors, make them aware of the dangers of drinking, drugs, and texting while driving. We have an elder safety fair and senior Olympics, which is, we work with social services on that. We have a bike ride through the Wichita Mountains, children's safety fair and activities, and we assisted this year with the canned food drive. Emergency management, I serve as a safety officer. Emergency management provides safety equipment for our workers, so we have to make sure that they have their PPEs or personal protective gear on to keep them safe. We assist with shelters when they're open. Ice storm, floods, straight winds, and tornadoes is when we have to work. Home visits to check on safety issues. Training, I attended the Lifesavers Conference that was paid by the Bureau of Indian Affairs Highway Safety Reimbursement Plan. It didn't cost us anything. Item C, Indian Tribal Emergency Management Coalition that paid for the registration and lodging. Angels, we have the Angels program that provides cleaning service for our elders. We have 1 permanent staff. She's certified in CPR, first aid, bloodborne pathogens. Have 1 wheel worker that's certification. She received that yesterday, her CPR certification. And we're blessed with the wheel workers that Mr. Booth provides for our angels that help with our program. Services provided, they have 34 clients in Comanche County. House cleaning for the elders, handicapped, and the terminally ill. They clean the kitchen, the living and dining area, and the bathroom the client uses. 2 homes have each have 2 clients, and we have 501 elders in Comanche County. Any questions?
Yes, Bo, there was one from the internet, and I just wanted to know, these services are only available to those in our jurisdiction?
No, Comanche County only. We have a big area they serve. Lawton, Snyder, Indiahoma, Cache, Fletcher, Elgin, Sterling, no, not Sterling anymore, the Mears area, 1 in Geronimo, and 1 in the Faxon, Chattanooga area.
I hope that answers that question. We got a question from the audience.
First of all, Director, thank you for your department and what you do to serve the Comanche Nation. Now that we are off probationary status, for all of us Comanches that live out of state, like in Dallas, I'm sure we have over 1,000, maybe a couple thousand enrolled members. Is it possible to try and acquire grants to bring these services or train a Dallas employee and other Comanches in Dallas to be part of the Angel program to service their needs?
That would be something that we could look into. We went down there, I think it was like the 17th of December, and we helped 28 families down there with different items, car seats, smoke alarms, food, car seats, as I say, car seats, smoke alarms, bike helmets, and toys that was given from the tribe. But we didn't do a survey. We left our survey sheets, and that's one of the things that we had on the list was the needs of the people down there, but we didn't do a survey. But we're working with Anthony Noni to get that survey done of the needs of the people.
Okay, thank you, because we really appreciated when you came down and helped, and it would be nice to be part of a monthly training program or monthly program that you do here in Lawton that maybe Anthony, I love by the way, and could be trained and present the same type of training in Dallas and offer the services on a regular basis. And not just Dallas, but I'm sure with grants now available that we have access to, we could get funding to train staff all over the nation where we have tribal centers. Maybe that's just something you can look at and pursue.
Thank you.
Good
Thank you.
questions. Good questions. I want to reiterate what Bo has done. The can drives that we provide here, Bo has been very instrumental in that. This year, we had so many Christmas gifts that our casinos helped us with. We had a lot of Santa's elves here, a lot of people that put in their own time. Like my friend back there with the sunglasses on, people are down on what they're not up on. Well, they do a lot of volunteerism, and Bo is the eyes and ears of our people. She goes to many homes. Thank you, Bo.